Dear God, I thank you for the gift of life. I pray that you may see me through today and through tomorrow. Amen.
It's another day and she's awake. Ategura abana ngo bajye kwiga, Nawe akajya kazi ke. Boss man says you can do better, God knows she already is. So she forces a smile, make it seem it's alright. She knows she's gonna try again. Hii Maisha, hafai, and with tears in her eyes, she looks to the sky and says, Lord, see me through today, see me through tomorrow. Lord, see me through today, see me through tomorrow. Fighter, you're so strong. Hawafahamu mzigo mzito unaobeba mgongoni. You carry on with a crown upon your head. Make it easy, at least that's what they see. But things are hard, you're all alone in the dark. Cause everybody needs some help and you need someone to call. She said, Lord,